Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn how to load data from the URL, or you can say that how to call an API and show in a flat list in the React Native using the hook. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So this is the code. Let's first we check the code over here. So let me reload this application first. You can see that to load the data, and here you can see the flat list, the data is loaded over here, right? So how we are going to do that, we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. So here we have the code. Okay, so let's see. So let's here we have the React use state and the use effect from the React. Okay, view text flat list activity indicator style sheet from the React Native. Okay, first we have the initial state, that's to be use state empty and loadings to be true. Okay, so whenever there is a API call, so first we make it the loading true. So loader, there is a use effect where we're calling the API fetch data. Okay, so here we have the fetch data where we're calling the API of the JSON placeholder, where we have to fetch all the post. Okay, await response.json, then set the data in the this state. Okay, all the data that coming from the API call we will set into the state set data. If something goes wrong, it will go to the error. Finally, set loading to be false. Then if the data loads properly, then we will make it set loading to be false. Okay, then there is a render item. So what we have to render, I'm rendering just title only. Okay, and here if loading, so we are showing the activity indicator for the loaded part. Okay, if loading, right? And here we have the flat list where we have the data. Okay, keyExtractor item.id, and render item is render item. Here we have created that render item. Okay, so here we have all the data because we have set all the data in the data state, right? And now this is the style part. Okay, styles loading container flex item container. Okay, after doing this you are able to get this one, and then you can call the API in the flat list and render the data according to it. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.